Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram user not found. For that we need to go to Instagram, go to search bar or searching one username, that is Chandrasekhar02, Chandra Shekhar 02. Now the username was not found, no result for Chandrasekhar02. Sometimes we did not text write the right user ID, or else they was blocked you. That's why the username was not found for you, and sometimes you blocked him. So here the problem was he was blocked me. I was going to settings and privacy, and here we go to, blocked section, and he was blocked me. The Chandrasekhar02 was blocked me. I was clicking on unblock. So if you search again means the Chandrasekhar02. Now the account was founded. Like this, you did not text the right text, or they was blocked you, or their account was deactivated. On that time, the username was not founded on you. Thank you.